Thank you so much. Now we are towards the end of the summit, and I request Dr. Archana Singh, the faculty member and HR Summit coordinator, to kindly do the summing up of today's deliberation.
Thank you. I know all of you wanted to end faster. So for every session, I'll have just 2 sentences. So for inaugural, from inaugural, and I'm going to speak about only those sentences which I found that will be relevant for all of you. So from inaugural session, what looks more relevant for you is what Dr. Manjari talked about, plateaus versus development talent. So you need to keep upskilling and reskilling yourself so that you are you fall in the bucket of developmental talent. And in the first panel, what I found useful for you is using AI and ML to get insights and actionable insights. So whenever you are using ChatGPT and other AI tools, please keep in mind that you get what you use is actionable insights and insights for you. And then another interesting point I found was culture for innovation needs curiosity. So keep your curiosity aligned all the time, alive all the time. That will help you now also and in your future career growth also. And then I have jotted down lessons for Gen Z. Match your expectations with your efforts. Deal with instant gratification. And the third panel, what one of the speakers said, which I found valuable, was industry needs right mindset. And then matching the speed of change is important for employees. And then co-learning and co-creation. I hope you will use during your group works. And then speakers also talked about customer empathy, curiosity and fast learning as a useful trait for new executives, and then business intelligence. And in the presentation round, the first thing that came out very openly was employers also have expectations. You have expectations from your employers. Similarly, employers also have expectations with you, and you need to be mindful of that. And yeah, one of the presenters also talked about 6 talent strategies for future. And yeah, that's all. Thank you very much. I hope you will use it. So I will end it. I will end it with one sentence. If we do not reflect on what we have learned, we would not use it. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Finally, I request Dr. Ruchika Yadav, faculty member and HR Summit coordinator, to present the final vote of thanks.
Thank you so much. It's actually very heartening to present vote of thanks at a platform where such eminent speakers have shared their valuable experience, expertise, and knowledge with all of us today. However, as we conclude this enriching day, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to each and every one of you. On behalf of National Insurance Academy, firstly, I would like to thank Professor Manjari Singh, for her keynote address, all the moderators and speakers for their valuable time and for putting forward their pertinent point of views on the subjects related to the theme. Our director in charge and chair professors, Mr. Ranjit Gangadharan and Mr. V. Balagopal, for their continued support. PGDM Principal Dr. Sanjay Mali and Chair Professor Financial Inclusion and Social Security Mr. V. Satyakumar for always being there for us. Madam Jayashree Sridhar, Chief Administrator, and her entire administration team, the electrical department, the accounts team for the support in flawlessly organizing the entire event. My special thanks goes to our biggest support system, Dr. Sushma Chaudhary, who guided and encouraged the entire team throughout. We could not have done it without her guidance. I would also like to thank Dr. Vaishali Bhambure for helping us with the speakers, the PGDM office, Mr. Jitendra Baradi from the publication department, IT team members. Amol, thank you so much. You've been with us since morning. Mr. Sharad Jadhav and all my other colleagues who have been there supporting us, guiding us, and encouraging us to make it a great show. Most importantly, I would like to thank my co-coordinator, Dr. Archana Singh, for always being there, and all the especially all the HR Summit student committee members and all the volunteers who came forward, worked hard, so much tirelessly day in, day out for the smooth conduct of the event. I am really very proud of you. Thank you so much. And finally, all the students, all those students who have been with us since the morning, thank you so much for your presence. And I'm sure that since you were here with us since morning, you would have your own set of great learnings, which you will take forward and implement in your personal as well as professional life. Thank you so much. We'll see you again. Thank you.